How to wash your knitwear. First step is to separate your whites and darks. If you have a mesh bag, put your sweater inside for extra protection. Put your knitwear in the washing machine. If you don't have a lot of sweaters to wash together, make sure to load it with lighter clothes. Don't put your jeans, heavy towels, or anything with zippers together, unless you want to invest in a knitting kit. Use the mildest detergent you have. Skip your laundry softener as it sets in the fabric and weakens the thread. Use some white vinegar and water if you need to freshen and soften your knits. Set the dial to delicates, cold water, and medium to low spin. After the cycle is done, don't put it in the dryer. Lay your sweater flat on the towel and roll it to soak all the excess water. Pat gently. Change the towel for a new one and leave it to dry completely. Freshen your knits in the freezer between wears to tighten up the knit fibers and prevent pilling and shedding. When it's dry, it's time to fold.